I'm about to massage my aching muscles with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's by Bob and Brad. Oh man, those two guys, they know how to make some good stuff. Now, this is a massage gun, and I picked this up because I actually pulled a muscle in my back many months ago, and a buddy of mine loaned me his massage gun, and dude, it worked wonders, and I was like, I gotta have one of these. Now, one of the things that I have been noticing is that as you work out, as you work outside, as you do lawn activities, vacation, you can have some achy muscles, especially as you get a little older. So I thought, man, maybe I would try to get some of that soft goodness on my aching arms and shoulders and thighs in particular, especially when you're not used to doing squats. Bob and Brad right there. Nice hard case here, so you don't have to worry about losing this thing. You'll have a nice little case to take it around with you, especially if you are going on trips. A couple of zipper pulls, so let's go ahead and open this sucker up. Now, the way these things work is kind of violent, but it seems to work pretty well. So we do get a USB cord right there. Looks like the manual to work this sucker. We also have a handful of different adapters up here. So kind of this flat trumpet looking one. We get this little foam ball right over here. It's cool. We get this little rubberized flat round pad. We get this kind of more focused plastic knob right there. And then also, looks like a yoke, but this will do vibration on a couple of points. And then here is the massage gun itself. Now, I will say, it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's not that big. Ooh, it looks nice. It kind of looks like a Dyson vacuum cleaner. It's got a soft, rubberized, velvet-like finish on this side. Man, it does look like a premium piece of hardware here. I mean, it's got just a nice feel. What you can see is the power button on the back here. Looks like we also have LED lights on there. And what you might be able to see is it's kind of pumping. It's oscillating there on the front, and then I think we can go up through, looks like 5 different levels. So that's pretty awesome. And then back to off. Also want to show you that we get little LED lights on the bottom. That should show you the state of charge. So it's fully charged out of the box, and then USB-C to charge it right there on the bottom. And then looks like a little venting up there. But man, this thing is pretty nice looking here. So one of the things that I want to do here is start kind of lightly. So I'm going to take this little foam ball here and put that in. I think you just press them in. They're just kind of like pressure. And then if I go ahead and hit this, you can see that pounding away there. And then if I just go up here, oh. You know, when I first saw these things and saw the slow motion of the muscles and the skin rippling, I thought, dude, that's going to be way too violent for most people. But this feels so good. Oh, yeah. Especially after you go do a little lifting, you strain yourself doing some hiking, whatever. You play sports. There's just that soreness, that tenderness. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Oh, yeah. Like I said, on my back, right there, where I get some tightness, where I hurt my back before. Oh, that feels heavenly. I can hold it right in one spot, or I just can kind of move it around, but man, this foam ball is my favorite. It's gentle and yet feels so good. And then even on your legs, right up here after doing some squats and stuff, man, it gets so sore and tender right up there. But, oh, dude, this feels so good. I tell you what, this thing is awesome. It's so portable. It's so light. It's so premium looking. And yet, the most important thing is that it works amazingly well. You know, sure, you could go and pay $100 for a 30-minute massage at your local massage parlor, but I bet it wouldn't feel as good as this because this really goes at it, and you can really focus the massage where you need it. And on top of that, I think going up here to this top level, oh my gosh, that gets pretty extreme in a way that no human hand, I think, is going to do. So if you are looking to get rid of some of that trauma after working out, after straining the muscles a little bit, kind of get back to normal, you should definitely pick up this massage gun by Bob and Brad. They do good stuff. If this one is going to make your life a little better, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.